What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And today, it's not a dessert video, so calm down. Don't hit next, okay? What we are making today is a concoction of a vision that will revolutionize the pasta game, okay? Because we're going to make homemade chicken Alfredo, but with a twist, okay? So I had this vision of this recipe I've seen where somebody took a biscuit and they stuffed chicken Alfredo in said biscuit. And I said, what if we make a casserole, right? We make chicken Alfredo, we put it in a casserole pan. And on top of that, we make a garlic bread that sits on top, bake it, that bread rises up. So when you spoon into it, you're getting your bread and your chicken Alfredo at the same time. When I put it like that, it doesn't sound that sophisticated or whatever, but it sounds like a great idea. Just saying. Favorite thing that I've seen people talk about: chicken, chicken. Y'all, this month has felt like a week. Not in like the meaning of like it's gone by so fast kind of thing. No, it's like that week that you hate that feels like drags on forever. This month. And on top of that, we're keeping an eye on the tropics because we're just like, we just got a new roof. So we're not excited about that. I don't really know anybody excited about like potential hurricane, but you never know. There might be somebody out there that's like, woo, hurricane. Look at my chicken thighs here. They are a little frozen still, but guess what? Don't matter. I say a little, they're still froze. Look at that little guy. Look at that. He made it. He's like, I just want to be in Dad's cooking video. I like to trim the fat because sometimes the chicken you get still has fat. Or weird pieces. And Jerry's a texture person, so if she bites into something weird, she's not going to eat the rest of it. She's just done. Like Chinese food, she finds one hair in it. She's not going to eat the rest of the food.
There was 2 hairs in it.
Okay, she found 2 hairs in her Chinese food, and she didn't eat it. It's like, how do you know they're not yours?
They're short and flat.
She said they're short and black. So, I don't know. I quit eating Taco Bell for the longest time because years and years and years ago, I had stopped at Taco Bell and got a chicken quesadilla, and I pulled this long blonde hair out. That was like this long. My hair's never been longer than this. And it's never been blonde. So, it came from the quesadilla. So I do get it. So, in with our chicken, we got some delicious avocado oil. I'm going to cover my chicken in. If I can get that thing open. Oh, there it goes. All right, avocado oil going in. And what we're going to do, coat it all around. Now, Italian seasoning, okay? Italian seasoning. Shake it out like you just don't care. And if you don't, that's fine, but just don't tell your food that. You want to cook your food with an extra ingredient called love. I got some salt. Aspen's favorite, but she's in the back room playing right now and too busy for Dado. Pepper. I got some of this roasted garlic Asiago. Moving up in the world, y'all. It was free. And then my favorite here lately, that crushed red pepper. Gotta get it all mixed up in that chicken. And don't forget to add a little love. Place our chicken in pan. I'm gonna put this in the sink. We're not gonna burn it like you want me to. All right, our chicken's looking good. It's looking fabulous. It's looking positively great. There's 2 puns in that. 2. That's how much effort I put into that. Positively great. Get it? All right. So the fun part. Butter. Okay. We need a half a cup of butter. A half a cup equals 1/2, or 8 tablespoons is 1/2 cup. So 1 stick of butter. 1 stick of butter for this recipe. It can be salted or unsalted. Also, thank y'all for the comments about what pasta water does, because didn't know that, and it was a very helpful fact, because now I know something that I didn't know. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and I'm using a liquid measuring cup, y'all. I thought they came in one thing. Me too. Apparently this is the proper way to measure ingredients with a liquid. So let's see. What's your favorite drink to get? Or Dunkin'?
Like an iced coffee with butter pecan flavoring, cream and sugar.
Put in a whole pack of this Parmesan cheese in there.
Sometimes I go a little crazy and get cold foam on that.
Cold foam.
But it's really sweet when you do that.
So there's this place in one of the towns I work in. They have a coffee shop, and I went in there, and I wasn't sure, because I normally don't drink coffee, but I needed to pick me up. And they had an almond joy frappe. Not sure.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question.
Okay. Here you go.
Oh. What's your favorite video you filmed so far on your channel?
Ooh. My favorite video that I've filmed so far on my YouTube channel. That's a tough one. And like making some new dishes and stuff like that, trying new things. I really honestly really like the Caesar salad tacos and fried chicken sandwich.
Yeah, that was my favorite, and the oh my god, the Parmesan chicken sandwich with the cheese sticks on it.
Yeah, those were really good too.
Yeah, that was very good.
Never hurts to add a little bit more seasoning, some love. My Asiago stuff. And a little bit more pepper, because we do love pepper. And look, it's starting to thicken up. You can see as I'm pushing through it. A little bit more delayed. It's kind of what we're aiming for here. So now you're probably going, well, Joy, what are you doing now? That's a good question. Alright, I'm going to pour my pasta sauce into my big bowl where the noodles were at. There's my pasta sauce. Or my Alfredo. I dump my Alfredo noodles in. And I'm just going to mix. Get all that TLC in there. Chicken Alfredo. Oh. Spread it on out. Get all that goodness on out. I remember years and years and years ago making chicken Alfredo with the can or the jar Alfredo sauce and thinking like I was a top executive chef. This far with me, thank you. We're almost there, okay? I promise, we're almost there. Throw a little bit of Chaz. You're joining me on, okay? Bowl. Cheddar Bay Biscuit Alfredo. That's right, you heard me. Right there. So, hi, beautiful. Absolutely. Aspen's gonna pour in to our bowl. Good job. Okay, let go. There you go. That's about 3/4. Good enough for government work. Absolutely. Go slow though. Nice and slow, okay? Good job. You want to add some Chaz? I'm adding a little bit of Chaz. And then Aspen's going to add in a little bit of Chaz. So, Aspen is going to pour in some of this roasted garlic Asiago. Season it up, baby. There you go. Good job. Look at that. Look at that little hand working. Getting it all out there. Heck yeah. High five. Yeah. You want to stir it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Have at it. All right.
It's done.
Almost. So what we're going to do,
So funny.
that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to kind of glob this out
What do I do?
on top like that.
No.
Okay. So here's the deal, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. It's looking good. Hearty. Fulfilling. I'm going to douse it with a little Italian seasoning. And y'all, let's put it in the oven. I'm going to wash those dishes while this bakes, and we'll be back. Okay?
Hey, Dad, what's this?
All right.
What is it?
A paper towel. So we have our Cheddar Bay chicken Alfredo. So I'm going to use a knife. I'm going to kind of cut it.
There's nothing on it.
Not no more. I'm going to get a little bit of that biscuit. So my bite's going to be a little bit of that biscuit.
Hi, Mike.
A little bit of that biscuit. The
I know what I like.
A little bit of that biscuit and the chicken and the noodles.
Hey.
Hold up, buddy.
Dad, I want to tell you. I have more. I have watched.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You want to try it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's hot.
Oh. It might turn.
With that, we're calling it there because we're gonna go eat this. We might eat the whole thing. That's good, y'all. The description in the description below is the ingredients, the recipe how to make this. It's simple, it's good, and it's easy. Well, it's easy, it's great, and good, y'all. We hit over 800 subscribers to the channel. Thank y'all so much for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all watching my videos and doing that. It means a lot. I love reading y'all's comments. We all do. So make sure you comment below what your favorite dish is or what your favorite dish that you've seen that I've made so far. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep it simple.